Right, yes, I am doing an unboxing of the Pocket Cinema Camera 6K G2 and all the extra bits that I bought with it. Yeah, I did buy quite a few bits to go with this, not from the same company, and you will be surprised where I actually bought this from, or maybe not. So I'm going to tell you right now. eBay. Yeah, I bought it on eBay. It cost me £1,623.77p, and I bought it from a company in Germany, and it took from, when was it? The 8th of August is now the 22nd of August. So it took a while to turn up, but it got here in the end. I also have another camera coming from the same company actually. Yeah, in Germany, and this one, the second one, is second hand. So in this video, we're going to do the unboxing of the Pocket Cinema Camera 6K G2, yeah, Gen 2, and all the other bits that I had bought to go with this, and I'm going to explain how much they cost and also where I bought them from. Does that make sense? If that's something that interests you, you're going to enjoy this video. Don't forget, if you do like this video, please consider subscribing. It does help my channel keep on growing. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, because it tells the algorithms, or YouTube algorithms, that, oh, people actually like this video. Yeah. So with that, let's get on with it. Let's do the unboxing of this. I'm not going to talk about how good it is or how bad it is, because I don't know. I did watch loads of reviews on this, and especially on this new baby. Yeah, it's only been out a few months from what I understand. Could be totally wrong here. So it comes with a belt clip, well, a neck clip, whatever you want to call it. It smells new. Do you like that smell? I love the smell of newness. That is new. Yeah, this was brand new, but the other camera I've ordered is second hand. So we have a welcome book. We have a Blackmagic design logo thing. I don't know what that does, but there you go. I think there's a key in here somewhere. I'm not going to show you if it is, but I'll have a look in there. I think you get a key with this for DaVinci Resolve. I do use DaVinci Resolve. It comes with a battery pack, one of. Hopefully there's more than one. If not, we do have a solution. Bit of fluff there. A power bank or plug. It looks like it's got an adapter to go with that, hopefully anyway. Otherwise we're going to be buggered. Unusual connection on the back. See that? That is weird. It'll be in there, of course. Yeah, see? There, you choose your weapon wisely. So we'll go for that one. I want that one. Right, that would just slide on. That's a good idea, actually. I did actually see someone do that and forgot all about it. So that is that part done. Oh, I can't believe it. I paid £1,623.77p for a camera that doesn't have a lens on it. Crazy. What are you thinking, Yorkie? When I bought my last camera, which is the GH5, which is the overhead one, that one up there, that came as a full kit. I actually got it as a package, and you know, it's really good. The camera that you're watching me on now, that one now, is a camcorder, and that is on its way out. So what I've got coming next is going to be replacing that, hopefully. But I pre-ordered it. Don't know. Any ideas? Yeah. Phone me. Let me know. I don't know. And what else do we? Some cabling. Oh, we like a bit of cabling. So we have. I'll chuck that back in there. A USB to mini or micro USB for powering up, maybe. You know, charging the battery. Yeah, we'll get there in a minute. The charger. Nothing special. Nothing whatsoever special. I think I've got about 4 of these. No, seriously, I've got about 3 or 4. At least 3, maybe even 5 of these ones. Actually, really, I have. I'm going to check underneath, because I did the other day. I've done an unboxing of another camera that you haven't seen yet. Well, I don't think you have anyway. And couldn't find all the other bits, and they was tucked in under the bottom. So let's have a quick look around. Oh, did I kiss it? Sorry. Cool. Quite heavy actually. I was expecting it to be a bit lighter, but it's actually quite heavy. A lot of people said, oh, it's quite light. That's heavy. So straps go in there, something goes on there. Oh, that'd be for that, wouldn't it? That'd go in there, wouldn't it? That's your little cover, isn't it? Oh, it's if you want your eyepiece, isn't it? You have to, it doesn't come with an eyepiece. I'll have to read the instructions. On off button. Oh, it's a lot of weight there. I don't care what people say. One of the things that I haven't ordered yet, because I'm waiting for them to get it right before I order it, which is a cage. It will be going in a cage at some point, but for now. But I know you're keen to see all the other bits I've ordered, so shall we get stuck into it? Number one, we bought I bought actually. By the way, this is all out of my own money. I did not get these delivered or anything like that for free of charge. I was not asked to do a video on it. This is all out of my own money, and I've done my own research on why I bought this and why I bought the other one. So this is the Blackmagic Pocket Camera Battery Pro, and to buy this brand spanking new was £166, and I paid £65.55p second hand. And I've opened it already because I needed to make sure it was what it says it is. And it's come in original packaging, and I haven't tested it yet because I've only just got the camera. So that is it. Let me just quickly show you. My computer's making weird noises. So yeah, this is the add-on. So it has two batteries that come with it, which I thought was brilliant. My GH5 up there, that has one of these, but only has one battery in it. Just thought I'd point that out. So that will connect underneath. So again, we've already made it bigger. So that is one of them. Like I said, I bought that on eBay. Didn't buy it from Amazon or anywhere like that. And I will stick links in the video description in case you want to go check it out. Breathe, Yorkie, breathe. What else do we have? I bought this brand spanking new, and this is the first lens I've actually bought separate from a camera ever in my life. This, I did try and buy some second-hand ones, and I kept getting outbidded, so I went and bought a brand spanking new. So this is the 18 to 35mm f1 or f1 stop 8 DC, whatever that means. No idea. I'm still learning. So this, oh, it's absolutely gorgeous. I've had a look already. It is brand spanking new, and I really do hope I've bought the right one to fit. Yeah, brand spanking new. It's only been out of the box once just for me to have a look at, and it's got caught up. No, I don't want to tell. Oh, there you go. Getting all excited. Yeah, brand spanking new. It should, if I've done it right, in theory, it should just fit straight onto my camera, and that is gorgeous. And I know people saying, oh, you shouldn't get that one because everyone buys that. Yeah, and I'm buying it as well. And I know why everyone buys this, because it's a good balance and it's a good weight. And it's so well built. Let me just check, see if it does actually fit, because I need to find out. I'm a little bit concerned about this, if I can get it undone. Oh, have I got to press the lever? Yes. Right. I need to find out. I need to what it looks like. This is a serious. Should click. Oh, it fits. I bought the right one. Look at that, it's growing. It's growing. That's going to go on there as well. Getting bigger. I know. Right. Brilliant. Right. So what's next? So with that, I needed one of these, a USB dock. Now I did buy this on Amazon. I think it was about £23. Let me just check. Oh, actually, I bought the lens on Amazon. Yeah, I bought the lens on Amazon. That cost £629, and I bought this on Amazon, and it cost Let me just double check. It is. Oh, it says £39. I thought it was 23. Perhaps I paid 23. It says 39 at the moment, so I had to buy it. Needed that to make sure this is fully updated, because I don't know how old the lens been sitting in the store, wherever they, or spit out your whip, wherever it came from. Yes, so the lens is, oh, it's gone up. Oh, I got that at the right time, £687 now. So you need to shop around. Yeah, £687. It's gone up. So that other thing's gone up as well. Let me just check, see how much I actually paid. I'll try and cut it out as quick as I can. I did pay 39 and I paid 629 for the lens. So I paid £39 for this, 629 for that, which I'm well pleased with. So this, again, I've never used one of these. Basically, you put the lens on there, you download a bit of software, and basically it updates the firmware on this. That's the theory behind it. And I want to update the firmware before I start using it. Make sure it's at perfect conditions. Get that out of the way. It's like Christmas, isn't it? What else we got? Right, I'll do this one first. So this is the Western Digital Black. Now apparently, as a read-write speed, very fast. Ideal for something like this, if you're going to put it on a case, which I'm going to do eventually. I'm just waiting for the right case to come along and say, oh, buy me Yorkie, buy me. And then I will buy it. But this is the one I've gone for. It's a 1 terabyte, and I will be trying to do 6K footage, even if I might not be able to edit it, but I will be trying to do that. I'm not going to get, oh right, I'll get that. Where's my knife gone? My knife. I've lost my knife, people. Oh, it's over there. Oops, sorry. Let's get her out. What do you mean you don't care? I care. This is the most amount of money I've ever spent in my entire life on cameras. Out of my own pocket, that is. Yeah. I've had some cameras that didn't cost me anything, but nothing like this. Not in this league. So that is it. Comes with some documentation. USB Type-C connection for fast read-write transfer speeds. 2 different types of USB. One's a USB and the USB Type-C connection. One's a Type-C to Type-C connection. And that's it. I just wanted to show you. That is metal. That's solid metal, that baby. I'll get that out of the way. Told you it's like Christmas here, didn't I? Right, we're getting down to the nitty-gritty. So I have a memory card. This is Extreme Pro, and it is a, what do you call it? A C something or other. And I'll tell you what it's called. It's called a Extreme Pro CFast. This is a CFast 2.0 memory card. It's 128 gigabytes, so it won't take me long to fill it up, and hopefully it should be really fast. Hopefully. That's it. Just a little memory card. But I needed that because if you're going to write in 6K, you're going to need something like that. You need speed. The need for speed. Also, if you're going to use something like this, you're going to need something that can access your computer. So you need one of these. This is a USB-C to CFast card reader. Like I said, you will need something like this, and I bought one. So the memory card is, look baby, it cost me
12 seconds later.
235 smackaroonies. Card reader, I think this was the one that was like 20 odd pound. Yeah, £22.59p. Let's have a quick look. Let's get her out. So this is the most amount of unboxing I've done on one video, basically. So that is it. It's not a tiny thing, nothing special. Wasn't expected it to be anything special, and voila. Feels a little bit plasticky, but feels also like metal. So it should have a USB in there somewhere, which it does. comes with a little adapter. So you've got Type C to Type C or Type C to USB 3.0. Job done. So that is it, people. I just want to do a quick video of unboxing and just to show you all the things that I bought out of my own money to get this camera up and running, because you can't just buy the camera and expect it to work because it doesn't even come with a lens. No, I know, it's crazy. So with that, if you want to see more videos on how I'm getting on with the camera or the kit, I should call it the kit, and like I said, I will be doing a future upgrade again with the with a cage, and also I have another camera coming and I will be doing an unboxing of that. If you're interested in anything like that, click to subscribe and don't forget to give me the thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching. Yeah, baby.